Duck in the Fridge. Written and illustrated by Jeff Mack. Okay, kiddo, it's time for bed. Daddy, why do you always read me Mother Goose before bed? Well, it all started when I found a duck in the fridge. A duck in the fridge? That's right. One night when I was a kid, I found a duck in the fridge. Hi there. What a mess. When I went to get a towel, I found 3 more ducks. Hi there, hi there, hi there. I tried to get ready for bed, but the ducks were everywhere. I couldn't brush my teeth. Hi there. I couldn't put on my PJs. Hi there. And worst of all, I couldn't sleep. Got any crackers? I gave the ducks some crackers, but they ate them all. Then they ordered out for pizza. Who's going to pay for all of this? Just put it on my bill. So I called 1-800-DUCK-BE-GONE. They sent me a special kit to scare away the ducks. Make sure it's very scary. That's not scary. Hi there. The sheep just sat there watching TV, and the ducks were not afraid. Buy more pizza. Buy more pizza. We should buy more pizza. So I ordered a bigger, better, scarier kit. I said scary, not hairy. Hi there. Hi there. Ruff. Got any pizza? That didn't work either. The dog stayed up all night playing cards. Got any tools? Goldfish. I love card games. Meanwhile, the ducks and the sheep started their own band. Hey kid, name that tuna. Rock and roll. There was only one thing left to do. Now that's scary. Well, those cows didn't scare anyone, but they did throw a wild party. How would I ever get to sleep now? Pick a card, any card. I'll take the Queen of Hearts. Shall we dance? Care for some cheese with those crackers? No thanks, I'm on a diet. Read any good books lately? That's when I saw the light. Wait a minute, did he say read? Maybe I didn't need to scare them away after all. Mind if I borrow this? My hat! I opened the book and started to read. There was an old woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children, she didn't know what to do. She what? How did she fit all those kids inside one tiny shoe? Maybe it was a boot. They seemed curious, so I read more. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. Wow, cool. Why did she jump over the moon? To get to the other side. She said udder. They liked it. They really liked it. More, more, more. Please? I said, if everyone goes to sleep right now, I promise to read more tomorrow night. And guess what? They all went to sleep, just like that. The next night, I read the book again, and the same thing happened. Not only was it fun to read, but we all got plenty of sleep. So that's why I read Mother Goose to you every night. Good night, kiddo.
Good night, Daddy.
Good night, everyone. The end.